Hi, my name is Javier Montanez, and I am part of the distance education program at Unity College. I'm working toward earning my bachelor degree in environmental geospatial technology. Geospatial technology is one of the fastest growing industry and can be applied to multiple disciplines, ranging from environmental sustainability to an emergency response. I decided to choose Unity because it's one of the best environmental colleges in the U.S. and with the distance education program, I'm able to work, spend time with my family while I'm finishing my bachelor and to have a professional career. So far, Unity has been outstanding. All the classes, all the professors, if I have a doubt, a question, I just send an email and they respond me in a reasonable time. The best thing about Unity is everything that they teach you and you're learning is because you are applying in your surrounding area.